Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how to enable the dark theme on Visual Studio. Let's see. Here the light theme is visible. Let us change it. For that, go to the Tools menu, click on it. After that, click Options. After clicking Options, under Environment, click Journal and you can see the current theme is visible, which is light. I'll click here and I can select dark also. I can select dark or even the blue theme. I'll click dark. After that, click OK. And here it is. Now we have the dark mode on Microsoft Visual Studio. For free tutorials, refer to the links in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.